Hey guys, hope you're doing good. Well, today we will learn how to update drivers on Windows 10. So let's get started. So the very first thing is we need to look for Device Manager. So either you can type device here and look for the best match, or the second way is by doing a right click and then click on Device Manager. Once the Device Manager is opened, if we want to update our display driver, what we need to do is click on it and look for the name. Now we need to do a right click and go to Properties and go to Drivers and look for the date. If it's latest, then you don't need to update it. If it's showing very old date, like 2, 3 years, 4 years old date, you can click on Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. So when you click on search automatically for drivers, and if it says that the best driver is already installed, then what you can do is you can click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Now this case is for Intel or any driver which you have. But let's say if you have any third-party graphic card like NVIDIA or something, what you can do is you can copy the name from here, whatever the name is mentioned, and search it on the internet once you download. And then you can either double click that file and download and install, or what you can do is you can simply click on update driver, browse my computer for driver, and here you can select that download folder and click on OK and click on next. So in this manner, you will be able to update your drivers. One more thing, if you want to roll back, let's say if you have installed any driver and it's creating an issue, what you can do is just click on update driver, and click on browse my computer for drivers, and then click on just select C drive. That's the best thing, or just C. The whole PC is fine. I'll select C and then click on next. So whatever the drivers we have for that particular device will be mentioned here, and you just need to select the below one which was already there. So in this manner you can roll back the driver. All right, so today we have learned how to update and roll back the driver. All right, so please hit the like button and subscribe button for this video. I need your support. Have a wonderful day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.